my name is Amy Wu. I'm an assistant professor in the Mechanical Materials Engineering Department at Queen's University. What I do is I study how humans walk and then use that to build robots. So I get to make people wear funny suits and walk around, and then from what we learn from that, we then get to build robots and make them walk around. Well, it's really important to know how people walk because when people can't walk anymore, we want to help them. And so to help them, we can figure out how to do so through building some robots that could walk with them or they could wear them. How can we build something where they can wear it like an exoskeleton and that will help them regain the walking ability that they used to have? So if you look at this, it doesn't look very much like a human walking, but basically if you watch the way we walk, we do this over and over. And if you think about walking, you can think about where you want to put your foot, how you want to move your leg. But in reality, when you're walking around or running around, you're not thinking about any of that. So a lot of it comes from just the natural movement. That's what we try to capture in this robot. This swinging mechanism, it's just very natural, so you can think like a pendulum. And what it has is these legs. So you think of it as your ankle when you're pushing against the ground. The ankle pushes, and that's what's going to propel this robot forward. So this robot is to also demonstrate the concept behind walking as well. Each of these spokes is kind of acting like our legs. If you think of the distance between these two spokes, if you would put a second one on with a larger distance in between, it'd actually be harder to get this robot to roll. When you walk, it's easier for you to take shorter steps, not too short, but shorter steps, than to take really long ones while you're walking. Another reason why we want to study how people walk and robots as well is if you think of a place you want to go, but maybe it's not safe for you to go, you could send a robot there. So if you had a robot that could walk like you, that would be another way to get you to explore maybe another planet or maybe another solar system. And you want that robot to walk as well as you do and walk over the different rocks and climb over hills and cliffs and that sort of thing. So it's important to try to build a robot that can have the same capabilities as you, and that's why it's really important to understand how humans walk, to build robotic devices that can either help them or help you explore different places.